Today is a very special day. We're here to celebrate 1 million views on the channel.
Cheers!
We're going to celebrate by comparing a folding bike to a big wheel bike on a real cycle trail. So before we eat, should we just figure out who's going to ride the folding bike and who's going to ride the big wheel bike?
Should we paper, scissors, rock?
Sounds good. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It's you.
Oh, it's like getting on a horse.
That's an alternative.
Oh yeah, that's heaps better.
Is that too high or do you want to get
Nah,
down?
that's cool, that's perfect. Oh, he's cool, man. I think I feel like a tourist.
It's super hot today and we're just about to reach the start of the trail just up ahead. How's the bike going?
Oh, so good. It's quite different to the folding bike. Woo!
We've hired this one. It's a 29-inch wheel bike, and this bike over here, my folding bike, is a 20-inch wheel bike.
Today I'm riding the Avanti Discovery. It's a 21-speed bike. It's pretty smooth. It's a different kind of size and profile than I'm used to with the folding bike, but it's pretty fast and I don't need to pedal nearly as hard as Andy is.
Okay, I'm walking already. I have all these bags on the bike though. I can nearly keep up. It's such a beautiful ride. It's super nice along here. Rivers, farmlands. G'day. Good mate.
So far it's great, man. It's quite a it's a lot speedier than the folding bike that I'm used to. I really like the frame so I can dismount easily. Good speed on it, good handling. I'm enjoying it.
It's a waterfall here. I can't tell if it's man-made, mine shaft, or it's a natural thing. It's getting hot out here today.
Yeah. We might have to go for a swim soon. Time for a water break.
It's a noisy road though. I am finding it a little hard to keep up with that big bike. It's quite a lot faster and seemingly comfortable. I'm actually going to take a ride on it and see. I think I may be having a revelation. Should I buy a big wheel bike? What do you guys think? It's heaps lighter. I can't believe it. We're going to swap over for a little bit and I'm going to have a go on the big bike and then We'll see how it goes. Let's go. Okay, truth time. I got on that bike, I rode it like 10 meters and trying to do a little shot where I come around again and go past the camera, hopped off and stoved my knee into the gooseneck with absolute power and force of a karate kick. And just, that frame is too small. That frame is way too small for me, and instantly regretted doing that. I have injured myself. I'm back on the folding bike. There's a car behind us.
Oh, pull over.
I jumped on straight away thinking, look at how close these handlebars are to my knees. This is kind of out of it. Damn it. Oh well, I think a swim might do me good. Any final thoughts on the big wheel bike?
Faster, cruisier. Yeah, that's probably about it. I don't like the different body position than I'm used to sitting. Like, you can sit more upright on the folding bike, which I prefer. But yeah, definitely faster.
More dangerous?
I don't know if you should use this footage.
I think we should definitely try.